Alright, we got a stock set of Honda D16 injector. They're D16 Z6s. They're probably about 20 years old. We're going to pull them straight out of the car and throw them in the machine and see what they get. Alright, we're at the injector machine. Excuse the spilled liquid everywhere. I forgot to put that end piece back on and sprayed fuel down. So these are probably 20-year-old plus Honda injectors. They came out of a D16 Z6. Got a lot of those laying around. A lot of people send me Honda ones. So they came straight from a car that had been sitting years. Probably, I'm going to say 5 years easy. Let's see what they flow immediately right out of a dirty engine that hasn't been started in forever. I'll do the high-speed test like I normally do. Let's see what we get. Spray patterns aren't too bad. Now remember the last set that I did, I think we outflowed the cylinders in a minute. Oh, look at that. Definitely tell they're dirty. Injector number 2 seems like it's flowing the best. So injector number 2 is doing just fine. Might have to stop it. Probably not. It's going to stop itself in about 5 seconds. See what it flowed. A little bit coming out the top. I ain't worried about that. Well, yeah, you can see the other 3 injectors are quite dirty the same, and that last injector, so 1, 3, and 4 are flowing about even, but they're flowing well under spec. Number 2 is flowing well. So let's get this fluid out. Yep, and that's why it's important that you flow test your injectors, get them cleaned whenever you're doing an engine build or anything. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.